is understood doesn't have to be explained. And let me say that one more time so you can get this. What is understood does not have to be explained. That's why I say I judge people off of their character, off of their actions, because actions don't lie. This thing right here, it'll lie all the time. It'll lie to you for no reason sometimes. But your character gonna always show you who a person is, and you don't have to be around them that long to see who they are, what they stand for, what they believe in. You see what I'm saying? So look at a situation. Just observe the situation, you know. And when you're dealing with certain people, like for instance, I tell some of my partners that, probably call me one of my kinfolks and they'll be like, hey man, um, I might have to come out here to do this. I want to network with you on this level. I'm like, all right, man, it's all good. What's understood don't have to be explained. Now, what that means is, on that level, it's like, bro, I'm here to help you. Whatever we need to do, we ain't got to explain it. We can just do this because we know it got to be done. You see what I'm saying? So it goes the same way when you're dealing with people and their character, and when you're dealing with jobs, when you're dealing with contractors, when you're dealing with the city and going to get your stuff established, and you feel like you got to go through all of these loopholes. And I think that discourages a lot of people from being independent because they think, or the system has made you believe you got to go through so much. And don't get me wrong, you do have to go through some things, but it's not as difficult as people will want you to believe. So I started my own LLC. I did all the paperwork myself. I filed for my EIN number myself. I did my business license myself. I went and got my certifications myself. I learned how to do these things. Now, they had different programs that charge you this, or this person want to charge you that. And I wanted to get my hands dirty and learn how to do this. And I learned how to do it myself, independently. So, if I learned how to do it, and I'm doing it, you can do it. Because what's understood don't have to be explained. Hold on.